Alrighty then, I'm back. Lee Jenny is back. So now I have more news. I got another album from K-Pop Store on the way home. Same location, same number. Let's see if I can clear out the view. There you go. Pretty much. Now, everyone is excited. I got 101 2B1. And this is the second version, I think. Yeah. This is like the second version. This another one's like a cute version. And this one's more like a, a manly version. So, I prefer this one. So, let me just open it. It wasn't that expensive. It's only like $20. Not too expensive. Okay. Let me open it here from the corners. Alright, give me a minute. Okay, it's gonna take a little while. Okay, hold up. Alright then, finally I got it out. Alrighty, let's see. Okay, give me a minute. So, alrighty then, so here is the front cover. As you can see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit of the pictures so y'all can see better. These are all the members. So you can see. Okay. That's that. And then the back side is pretty much the backs of them. Pretty much. And then the songs right here. The first one is To Be One intro. And then 2 is Burn It Up. 3 is Energetic. 4 is Wanna Be, My Baby. And then 5 is Kiss the version, and then 6, CD only, and then never CD only versions. Okay. Pretty much that's all of it. And then the bottom it says all the, entertainments and everything. Alright, let's start with opening it. Really nice cover. Really nice how they did it. As you can see, it's kind of like in a little pouch right here. Let me see if I can get it out. Pretty much. There it goes. Alright, let's start with the first thing, what's in here. So, pretty much it's just a cover. So, there he goes, To Be One, 101. Alrighty then, let's go to the rest. It's pretty much like little post-its. This is Wan Min Young. Really nice, cute, really awesome. Oh, wow! Got the signature and a little note here. Take a little minute to, read it and everything. Really nice, I love it. Thank you! 감사합니다, Wan Min Young. Okay, next. Alrighty then, who do we got? Drum roll, please. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's so cool. I got the group. That's awesome. This is like the first time I ever got. Let me zoom this in to the clear. There you go. The group. Really nice. I really like this. It's really nice to be one. Nice. Oh, this is surprising. I got a golden ticket. What? Golden ticket. 101 golden ticket. Wow. 101 first mini album to be one. That's really nice. Oh, this is so nice. I never got this before. I guess I can go to the website and check it out. That's so nice. I got golden ticket. That's so cool. I never got these before, which is really nice now. Really nice. I like it. Thank you. Thank you, 101. Oh, who do we got here? Ooh. I went chin. Oh, nice. I got another postcard. This is really nice. Another postcard, y'all can see. Really nice. I like it. Y'all want to do exchange or switching stuff. Y'all can the link below, subscribe and everything. It's really nice. Alright, let's continue. 101. Okay. Alrighty. I think this is a little standy thing. This is so cute. I think so. It's like a little standy. Yeah, it is a standy. That's so nice. Got a little standy. Oh my god, that's so nice. Okay, next. Alright, this is a big deal. The book. Album book. Alright, let's check it out. Wow, this is so nice. All the groups. Ooh, who do we got here first? Okay, nice. Looking good. Oh, alright, looking good. Bleak. Fly. He's one of my favorites. I love his smile. His smile is so gorgeous. He's really cute. Oh, yes. Nice. Got some really good pictures here. He's the most funniest one, around the whole numbers. He makes the funniest, faces. He makes people laugh, which he gets more than attention. Really nice. He's my favorite. Damn, looking good, man. Damn, looking good. Looking fly right here. Hey. But I swear, why all the idols, like, especially Korean idols, like, looking so naturally good looking? I'm so jealous. Like, they look better than the girls. I'm sorry, girls. I know y'all pretty and everything, but these guys are killing it with the gorgeousness. And then him, he's looking good. Alright. Him, though, he's my favorite. You know, he looks like the friend. I don't know if y'all seen Playful Kiss. Like, her friend is like Yoon Soo. If y'all know her name is like, she's been in different dramas. She's been on Panda and Hedgehog, if y'all know who I'm talking about. She is an actress. He looks so much like her. So much. He looks like a girl. Oh my god, he's so gorgeous. If y'all really know who I'm talking about, like, I think her name is Yoon Soo, something like that. If y'all know, just link on the bottom, please. Just like, send me something, like, you know, like, message me on the link, like, on the link below, like, if y'all know who I'm talking about. Subscribe, like this, please. So, looking good. Okay. Sorry, he looks so much like her. So much. I'm impressed. Really, like, I've never seen it. Well, I've seen some few guys that look like females, but he definitely looks like, oh my gosh. Maybe that's why he's so good looking. Very good looking too. Big lips though. Awesome. Nice. Alright, next. Hold on. Nice. Now we're gonna start with the songs. So they're kind of backwards. So let me switch. This is really nice how they did it. 101 on pink side. Pink side, we're gonna show the other pictures. Yay! The cute side of 101. Really nice. Alright. Next. That watermelon lollipop though. Really nice. Looking cute. Really nice. Amazing. Here comes the cutie, like, so cute. He's so cute, Matthew. Oh my gosh, I'm so jealous. They're all cute. I like their songs, especially Energetic, Burn It Up, and others. And again, the one that makes funny faces. The one, the big lip boy. This is one little watermelon, so cute. It's a cute picture. Awesome. And then the one that looks like a girl. Looks like Yoon Soo. He's so cute. He can be mistaken like a girl, like seriously. And Chintaya. Seriously, like he looks like a girl. So much like her. And then this gorgeous Mary. They're legit, they're actually old. They're old, like, they're like early in late 20s. Like, the latest I think he's 27, 28, somewhere there. Pretty much. Yeah. Too many pictures, look at it. Look at them. So cute. Together. I need another zone too, there's like, but it doesn't matter when you're idle, doesn't matter, some people, no one's perfect, so they can always have some crooked teeth or, you know, acne. It doesn't matter, they still look good. 3 Musketeers. And then the whole group. What do you compare? Which one's better, this side or this side? Either way, that they're both the same. You decide. Which is better, left or right? Really nice. Their feet. Look you love their feet? Do you love their feet? No more than their faces. They went to the beach. The beach. I want to go to the beach. So jealous they're at the beach. Look how happy they look. Amazing. Okay. And they're very, very happy now. The comparison. The meh expression. Serious meh expression to the happy, exciting expression. And these are the entertainments they work with. Artist Agency, YMC Entertainment, and then Stone Music Entertainment, and Art Studio, Media Center, etc. And I think that's pretty much it. This is the pink side is the cute side of them, and then the blue side is the manly man side. Alright, let's go next. Oh my god, there's more stuff in here. Like, when are you gonna be finished? This is 2B1, not 101 to there's a front. Wow, what's next to this? Oh my gosh, it's just their backs, which is still nice. And then more to the back, then more, and then more, and then more, and then more. It continues. It doesn't change at all. It's crazy. Oh, actually, no, never mind. It does change, doesn't it? Oh, it does change. Oh, they're walking. This is so cool. They're actually walking. They're walking. They're going together, and more, and then they turn around. This is so nice. Oh my god. You just have to flip, I think. And then more. Hold up. And then there's like more into it. More. And it goes closer. Closer. Oh, the lighting is not done. Closer. And then super close. Super close. And then I kind of want to see the ending. And then like way closer. And then even way closer. And kabam! That's the end of it. Let me zoom into it if I can. Because they're too pretty, that's why. Look at them. Looking through your eyes. Looking through your eyes, all of them. It's crazy. And that's the ending of it. That's so nice and crazy. And now, the 101 2B1. It's like a little flappy thing. It's like the whole lyrics of the songs. As you can see, 2B1, the lyrics. Oh, give me one. And there it goes. 2B1 intro. And then Burn It Up. That's my favorite one also. And then, give me one more. Energetic. Give me one more. Zooming into it. Energetic, the lyrics. Wanna be my baby. And then the acoustic one right there. And then this one also, the version. Another version. These are the only ones that come into the CDs. It can't be by itself because it won't be on the internet. So that's that. And then the best part, the CD. Really nice 101 2B1. Now I'm gonna put it. This is how it looks like. Put everything back again. So is this, and then it goes with this right here, really nice. The standy stand thing, really nice. Let me put this one. Let me put it on this one, I guess. I'll put it this way. And then the stuff here, nice. The golden ticket right here is really nice. And then this right here. And then this, really nice. I wish I could guess this again. Put this back where it belongs. And now, cover. And pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. And comment who's your favorite member from 101. And also, if y'all decide to trade with me of the group with any others that y'all have, if y'all probably rate this album 101, doesn't matter which version, this version, or the once again, I bought this on the way home in Beaufort, Georgia. There's all the information and everything. I want to check it out. It's really nice. And again, this is from Lee Jenny. Hope y'all enjoy this. Alright. Peace.